Okay.
You see that? God.
As we do get to the point of life. So that was it.
Mm-hmm. That's what it looks like. We're getting there. Okay, so this is all donation. That side of the car is keep or try to sell on like my Poshmark. That side is Jesus fuck. That side is like donation to like Goodwill, Salvation Army. This is trash right here. More donation. Yeah, and we got a donate box in the car as well. This is all the stuff we are keeping because I don't know, I'm just not getting rid of all of my stuff. I got childhood stuff. I got towels I bought for the new apartment. I've got a shower curtain thing that I have yet to use. Like, none of these, I've yet to use them. Tons of stuff, so whatever. And then, you know, stuff for when we move, of course. And I have to keep those. I don't know why my mom told me not to touch the doll in the box, so I don't. But anyways, Jeremy's keeping that. And we're going to sell all these side tables, which we accumulated, like, so many of them. We're getting rid of that one, too. We're going to sell the TV at the pawn shop tomorrow, along with some cameras and whatnot. I'm going to try to sell that and that. Not the thing behind it. I want that. But look how clear it is in here now. So what we're going to do is we're going to rearrange the whole storage unit so that it's easier accessible for us. Also, I have an extra internet thing that they sent me. I don't know what to do with it. They gave it to me a long time ago. I already returned the first one. Okay, so we packed up everything in the car that's going to be donated. I think that's everything that's going back, or the big furniture that's being sold and some of the stuff that's going to the pawn shop. If we could just get like a quick side-by-side before and after. Okay.
You see that?
How we actually have a walkway now. Isn't that crazy? That's going to Grandma's and the rest is in the car. That's that.
Yeah, right.
We're gonna tackle it tomorrow.
We'll see.
No, we're gonna donate or we're gonna sell it on Poshmark or something. So what'd you get?
Those little things that you like. Oh, hell yeah. I didn't even know you was recording.
So we ended up selling all those clothes and all the crap out of the storage unit. We got $60 from the pawn shop and $20 from the clothing store, which whatever. We had a lot of clothes, but whatever.
A little bit.
They didn't take a lot though, to be fair. And then we donated the rest. We donated everything. But yeah, so we ended up getting $80 out of it. Basically, we downsized our storage unit and saved a month of storage unit rent. This is not good lighting, and I just woke up, and I got a pimple on my eyebrow. So we really got it going for us today. I'm rewatching this video after editing, and I'm like, there is no ending because I don't plan endings because there's no point to any of my videos. However, I think I'm gonna title it like how we made $80 in one day. We sold all that shit out the storage unit. We didn't need a lot. We donated a lot. I suggest that y'all start donating. You know the commercial about overconsumption? But my next video is going to be tips on how I make extra cash, you know, extra money. And then the next one after that is going to be a DoorDash video. So I'm really excited for that one. That one might actually be the next one. I don't know. That's just it. Okay, goodbye.